Hello guys, welcome to the Maneuver. So today in this video we'll talk about the MBA MMS CET 2021. So guys, all those aspirants who are preparing for the MBA CET and lot of questions are raising, and the questions are nothing but what are the expected dates with respect to the MBA CET. So guys, registration date अभी तक आउट हुई नहीं है, not even the admit card date, and most important the exam date. So all those dates are yet to be announced. So in this video we'll talk about some of the articles, so we'll get the idea about when exactly the MBA CET will be happen. So friends, if you have started your preparation, then it's well and good, and if you have not started yet, you can join our fast track batch for MBA CET 2021 as it is already launched. Limited seats are vacant. Join immediately. Call on 8828581455, or you can visit to our website www.manueredu.com. So guys, in this live batch you will interact live with us. You will get the recorded version of each and every lectures. All your doubt sessions will be carried out in live classes. You will get the handouts for the practice purpose and the ebooks for the references. You will get access for the mock test and also the topic test. Mock test with respect to full length mock test, and the topic test with respect to each particular section. So you will learn all the strategies with us, how to enhance your preparations. You will learn to the topper strategies. You will get the mentorship, guidance, and thoroughly the cognitive effects in our live batches. So guys, hurry up, call on our board line number. So let's talk about the update first. What exactly the expected dates with respect to the MBA CET 2021. So here it is, the article by Punekar News. The Maharashtra State MBA CET exam likely to get postponed. So guys, ये बात तो हम सब जानते हैं. So March month से अब ये postpone हो चुकी है. What exactly the article says? The Maharashtra State CET cell has not yet issued any notification regarding the MBA entrance exam in Maharashtra, which are usually held in February or March every year. Right guys? So the students are awaiting the official notification confirming the dates. However, due to the delay in the result of the undergraduate degree examinations, the dates for the MBA examinations are expected to be delayed. So इस आर्टिकल में ये बता रहे हैं, ड्यू टू अंडरग्रेजुएट डिग्री एग्जामिनेशंस, उनके डिले की वजह से MBA एग्जामिनेशन पोस्टपोन हो चुका है. ड्यू टू द कोविड-19 आउटब्रेक, द यूनिवर्सिटीज हैड टू पोस्टपोन द अंडरग्रेजुएट डिग्री एग्जाम्स. Therefore, the result of these exams were delayed as well. As a result, the MBA MMS CET held every year in the month of March has been delayed this year. So according to this article, एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो चुका है, लेकिन कब एग्जाम होगा इसमें नहीं दिखाया गया. बट according to Times of India, entrance test for courses likely only in or after May. So एग्जाम हो सकता है in May month और after May month भी आपका एग्जाम हो सकता है. So according to this article, the delay in this year admission to professional courses will spill over to the coming academic sessions. The state CET cell recently floated a tender to appoint an agency for comprehensive CET related work, from registrations to conduct of test and announcement of result. So tender notice, जो कि आप जानते ही हो, that was 22nd of April. Now it is also postponed to 26th of April. सो जो टेंडर नोटिस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग 26 ऑफ अप्रैल को थर्ड पार्टी की अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगी जो सीईटी के एग्जाम कंडक्ट करेगी. द सीईटी सेल यूजुअली कंडक्ट्स एमबीए एंट्रेंस टेस्ट इन मार्च, और इंजीनियरिंग की जो एग्जाम्स होती है वो होती है इन अ मे मंथ. सो कोविड-19 एंड द रिजल्टेंट लॉकडाउन पुश लास्ट ईयर्स एंट्रेंस टेस्ट टू अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर, हम जानते ही हैं. एंड एडमिशन फॉर सम कोर्सेज कंक्लूडेड इन फेब्रुवरी. फॉर सम like law, the process is going on due to the technical glitches in software in the beginning, while the CET cell is busy wrapping up admissions for the current year. So aspirants are anxious about delays in admissions for the next academic session too. So अभी तक कोई official date publish नहीं हुई है, but we can assume after last week of April will take around 40 to 45 days. इसके बीच में activity schedule हो सकती है with respect to the MBA CET. एंड इन द सेम पीरियड आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो सकते हैं. अराउंड 20 to 25 डेज का पीरियड हो सकता है. देयर आफ्टर आपका एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज हो जाएगा एंड मे एंड आपका एग्जाम डेट हो सकता है. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम द टुडेज वीडियो ऑल अबाउट द डेट्स गाइज. इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड योर प्रिपरेशन, then it's well and good, and if you have not started yet, then guys you can come at manueredu.com to boost your overall preparations. Click on buy online section, then MBA entrance. Now these all are the respective programs: full course, book study materials, mock tests, and sectional wise courses. Just click on full course show packages. Now here it is, the MBA CET Turbo 2021. So if you are self preparing, just click on view details. You will get 251 video lectures, 37 handouts for the practice purpose, and 18 full length mock tests. which is 100% compatible with these all syllabus. You can also enroll for the Classic Turbo Program 2021. If you want to study materials, just click here. You can order books from here. Just click on view details. They separate for quant, separate for reasoning, separate for English, and separate for data interpretation. So once ordered, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. You can also enroll for the ebooks. If you have prepared something and wanna evaluate yourself, then guys, you can give the mock test. Just click here. Here it is the MBA CET 2021 mock test booster. In this you will get 10 sectional tests and 18 full length mock tests. So click on view details, you will get overall 28 mock tests. If you are lacking in any particular section, guys, you can click here on section wise courses. So you will get the separate packages for logical reasoning, separate for English, separate for group discussion and personal interview, which is very important during your selection procedure, separate for quantitative aptitude and separate for data interpretation. So this is all from the today's video. Contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, JD, VAT, interview or the mentorship programs. For online and live classes, call our board line number. You can also call on these respective numbers. This is our website, themanuedu.com. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all links I mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manu MBA Entrance. So this is all. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.